Alright, so before we get started, I just have two questions. Who here has car insurance? Okay, who here has a car? Alright, so recently I got in a car accident and the person that hit me did not have no insurance at all. So he ended up paying all the damages that my car had and all the damages that his car had. And towards the end, he ended up paying lots of money. In Washington State, you are required to have car insurance. This car insurance has a required amount of coverage. It has to cover you when you get in a wreck. This includes hospital bills and any medications that you will have to take. It also has to cover any of your car damages that occur in the wreck. Finally, if you are in fault, you hit someone who doesn't have car insurance, your insurance has to cover them as well. The coverage you are required by law to buy are liability insurance. Typically is the most expensive. It should be. The most common coverage limits can mean your insurance carrier is on the hook for hundreds of thousands of dollars for any damage you do. Most other coverages are capped by the value of your car, though. While collision, which pays to repair your car if you are at fault, can be pricey. Other optional coverages such as a gap coverage, roadside assistance, rental reimbursement, uninsured, underinsured, motorist coverage, and comprehensive coverage can be provided a lot of protection for a little price increase. Comprehensive coverage will normally be the most expensive of these other optional coverages, but is usually about only half of the prices of collision coverage and a third the price of liability coverage. It's worth the cost of comprehensive to cover your car for things such as theft, fire, and vandalism. When you get into an insurance company, you pay a certain amount each month. We do this that way we are protected whenever you get into an accident. Insurance companies are actually hoping you are a safe driver, so they don't have to take money out of their pocket, so that way they can keep the money that you pay them. Depending on the insurance company you choose, you will either pay a higher amount of money each month or a higher amount of money when you get into an accident. The question is, how do you know which company to choose? When companies are trying to decide what amount to charge you, they take into account your age, the type of car you're driving, your driving record, your gender, and your grade/education, and sometimes the color of your car, because cops tend to pull over red cars more often than other cars. Now my partner Evan will give you more information on car insurance.
Hi, I'm Evan. I'm going to continue the presentation. So higher deductibles can lower your premium, which means if you tell the companies a higher set amount, you will pay no matter what for when you get into a crash. The overall amount you will pay later will come out as lower. The best way to get the insurance that you want and best fits you is to figure out what coverage you want. For example, liability versus comprehensive. Once you figure out what you want, shop around your area and figure out which companies give you what you want for the best price. Once you've chosen an insurance company, the next time you get in an accident, you make a claim. After your claim is filed, they give you the money to repair your car or whatever expenses there are. Unfortunately, when you make claims, the insurance company may raise your rates, or if you make too many claims, they may drop you. So the next time you're choosing insurance companies, make sure to ask about their policies and claims, and figure out which insurance company is the best one for you.